Seahorse Conservation. The seahorse is a fascinating creature that captivates the imagination with its unique appearance and intriguing behavior. Despite its name, the seahorse is not really a horse but rather a type of fish that belongs to the Syngnathidae family. In this article, we will explore the world of seahorses, delving into their physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, and conservation status. Seahorses are known for their distinctive appearance. They have elongated bodies covered in bony plates instead of scales, giving them a rigid and armored appearance. They have a horse-like head with a long snout and a small mouth that resembles a tiny tube. Unlike most fish, seahorses swim upright and have a prehensile tail that they use to anchor themselves to objects in their environment. These intriguing creatures can be found in shallow tropical and temperate waters around the world, including the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean. They often inhabit seagrass beds, coral reefs, and mangroves, where they seek shelter and protection. Seahorses are generally poor swimmers, relying on their dorsal fin for propulsion, which allows them to move slowly and stealthily. One of the most remarkable aspects of seahorses is their reproductive behavior. In most species, it is the males that become pregnant and give birth to live young. During courtship, male seahorses perform an intricate dance with their potential mates, engaging in a series of movements, including twirling, mirroring, and color changes. After mating, the female transfers her eggs to the male's pouch, where they are fertilized and incubated until hatching. The male then gives birth to dozens or even hundreds of tiny seahorse offspring. Seahorses are primarily carnivorous, feeding on small crustaceans, plankton, and other small marine organisms. Due to their slow and delicate feeding style, they rely on a specialized mouth that acts like a pipette, allowing them to suck up their prey one at a time. This feeding method requires great precision and patience, making seahorses vulnerable to changes in their environment, such as habitat destruction and pollution. Unfortunately, seahorses face numerous threats in the wild, which have led to their declining populations. Habitat loss and degradation due to coastal development, pollution, and destructive fishing practices pose significant risks to their survival. Additionally, seahorses are sought after in the traditional medicine trade, particularly in East Asia, where they are used in various remedies and as souvenirs. This demand has led to extensive overfishing, with millions of seahorses being captured and traded each year. Efforts are being made to protect and conserve seahorses. Several organizations and research institutions are studying these creatures to better understand their biology and behavior. Conservation initiatives are focusing on establishing protected areas and implementing sustainable fishing practices. Public awareness campaigns aim to educate communities about the importance of seahorses and the need for their conservation. In conclusion, seahorses are fascinating creatures that captivate us with their unique appearance and intriguing behavior. Their unusual reproductive habits, delicate feeding style, and vulnerability to environmental threats make them an important species to protect. By raising awareness, promoting conservation efforts, and addressing the factors that endanger seahorses, we can work towards ensuring the survival of these remarkable fish and preserving the diversity of our marine ecosystems.